check the availability of the server, and on the other way, it should provide and it should has some configurations of port configuration, and it should also have to provide API to communicate. That's why it's saying adding the port machine and target machine configuration and do the test and verifications. So now we are going to set up the steps of task, and what are the tasks that you have to do. The first thing is we have to sign up for the Amazon Cloud Windows account. You have to create this account. Even you are having Amazon account, you have to do this one. So subscribe for this service. If you are having the Amazon account, you no need to create a new account, but you have to subscribe for this service. Then you can consume this service, and then you have to continue the setup in. And the next one is prepare your environment. You are having a three environment. One is the source environment, the other one is target environment. You have to correctly set up all both of environment together, and correct network setup. The correct network setup means if you are having the port opening and port firewall exception and standard way, you have to follow this required standard procedures to do that, and then you have your network is ready for the communication. Define the network requirement, port configuration, target, source, and staging area. You know what is the staging area? Staging area is the location that is containing the backup in data. And sign into the cloud endos console. Yes, you have to log into the cloud endos console, and it is the location that allows you to do the you to make your backup plan and set up a new project. And you can to do the backup in, you have to have a um, the backup in project. The next one is generate the cloud credentials. Why you need the cloud credentials? Could you remember? I have told you you are consuming web APIs. Web APIs means the JSON RPC. To executing the JSON RPC means you are providing your data and you're asking to store. Imagine nobody knows the how server knows this is you. It means authentication. How do you authenticate you? You can't you can do the authentication from the website by providing your username and password. But for the APIs, the best way is the providing your digital ID and client secret, those kinds of things, and then you can and further you can encrypt your data from the keys, the security keys, and send it to the server. That's the best way to best practices. So to avoid the unauthorized access, it is required to required to make the credentials. Credentials means you your your API ID and client secrets kinds of informations. The then the configuration, configure the replication. Okay, you can configure for each 5 minutes you will update the source have to update the client. Sorry, the target object. Each each end of the day you are updating your data. Likewise, you can decide the time duration. So install the cloud endos to the you have to set up the agent. Agent are basically response. Okay, I will show the agent. This is the agent. Can you see this is the agent? Agent is the responsible to handle the data. It means agent is the person who's responsible to trigger the replication. Replication means maintain the duplication. If agents got to know any new updates comes to this server, it will it will take this update and send through the API to the staging area. That's how it's work. And finally, you have to have a blueprint for the target machines.